Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment. It involves awareness of thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Originating from Buddhist traditions, it has gained widespread popularity. Mindfulness can be practiced through meditation, breathing exercises, and everyday activities. Mental health encompasses emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Mindfulness can significantly impact mental health positively. It helps reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Practicing mindfulness encourages self-compassion and acceptance. Stress is a common contributor to mental health issues. Mindfulness helps to lower stress levels by promoting relaxation. It encourages individuals to respond to stressors calmly. Studies show a correlation between mindfulness practice and decreased cortisol levels. Mindfulness aids in recognizing emotions as they arise. It provides tools for managing intense emotions. Practitioners learn to observe feelings without judgment. This can lead to healthier coping mechanisms. Mindfulness trains the brain to concentrate better. Improved focus can lead to greater productivity. It helps individuals to stay engaged in tasks. Better concentration can reduce feelings of overwhelm. Mindfulness fosters resilience in facing challenges. It encourages a positive mindset and adaptive thinking. Resilient individuals can bounce back from setbacks more effectively. Mindfulness practices can strengthen this resilience over time. Mindfulness can improve communication skills. Being present enhances empathy and understanding. It encourages active listening in conversations. Better relationships can contribute to improved mental health. Breathing exercises are foundational to mindfulness. Body scans help individuals connect with physical sensations. Guided meditations can provide structure for beginners. Mindful walking connects movement with awareness. Many people struggle to incorporate mindfulness into their routines. Setting aside just a few minutes daily can be beneficial. Finding a quiet space can enhance practice effectiveness. Joining a mindfulness group can provide support and motivation. Mindfulness can be practiced while eating, walking, or even cleaning. Engaging in mindful activities helps build consistency. Notice the sensations and experiences in everyday tasks. Keeping a mindfulness journal can track progress and insights. The role of technology. Numerous apps offer guided mindfulness practices. Online communities provide support and resources. Technology can make mindfulness more accessible. However, it's essential to balance screen time with mindful practices. Long-term benefits of mindfulness. Consistent practice can lead to lasting mental health improvements. Many report increased life satisfaction and well-being. Mindfulness can enhance overall quality of life. It cultivates a deeper understanding of oneself. Mindfulness is a valuable tool for mental health. It promotes awareness, acceptance, and resilience. The benefits extend beyond individual practice to relationships and community. Mindfulness is a journey that requires patience and commitment. Everyone can benefit from incorporating mindfulness into their lives. It offers practical skills for navigating life's challenges. Mindfulness invites a deeper connection with oneself and others. The journey begins with the first moment of awareness. Embrace the practice and witness the transformation. Start small and gradually build your mindfulness routine. Remember, progress is personal and unique to each individual. Commit to this practice and enhance your mental health journey.